no weather service in effect until issues a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, southeastern Morrow County, Knox County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Gallium to Chesterville, 6 miles west of Sparta, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Mount Vernon, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Fredericktown, Gambier, Belleville, Plymouth, Centerburg, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Butler, Lucas, Baringo.